What's up, everybody? Diego Bressler with Koch-Chemie USA, and today we're talking a little bit about rubber care, plastic care, what to use, when to use it, how to use it. Exciting stuff. Some of the things that we don't often think about is, what about the rubber care and plastic care under the hood? For that, we have Motoplast. Phenomenal finish, guys. So make sure that it's properly cleaned, and you go through that with a little bit of Green Star and follow through with your application of Motoplast afterwards. This is going to leave not only a perfect finish, but a protection on it, up to 482 degrees of protection, and it's self-leveling. So now you have your hoses, your plastic connectors underneath your hood completely taken care of with this, and you can see an amazing result afterwards. Now, on to PSS. Awesome product, usually used just for the exterior of it. Now all your plastic cares, revitalization, making sure they come back a little bit, you want to use your PSS. You want to use a dedicated either towel or dedicated sponge. I prefer a sponge to go ahead and put it on there. Make sure that you get it nice and even. Don't let it dry with marks on there. You'll have a phenomenal outcome on that. Then we have our tire glaze. Now our tire glaze is really amazing, specifically for just tires. It does come out with a nice high gloss sheen on it. It's probably the only product that we have that does that. And that is because there are a lot of people who like a great shine on there. Now, the good thing about it is it's not gonna sling and fling like everything else out there. Sometimes when I'm using knobby tires or off-road vehicles, I'll use a palm brush in there to make sure that the brush gets into the dedicated areas on there so it looks nice and even for us. So great product to use for that. And then of course, we also have our brand new guy, HPC. Now this has taken a tremendous change to our lineup only because it is all water-based and dilutable. So now if you do it straight, or you can do it up to 1 to 4, you can choose the type of sheen that you would like on your tire. Now I did have a chance to try this also on exterior trim, and it is absolutely amazing. Came out completely dry. It restored a faded trim out there. Now, along with that, we have also our interior. So now HPC can be used on the interior portions of your car. Again, I have to reiterate, you want to make sure that you put it onto a rag outside of the vehicle, then go inside and wipe it down and follow through with a dry rag. Make sure that you're always using your noggin and a little bit of safety to ensure a good quality outcome. Now, if you're ready to get all of these, then go on to kcxusa.com, and I will see you at the next detail.